Everyone, my name is Avaniti, and today I'm excited to share my internship journey at Stack Academy, Bangalore. Over 17 days, I'm immersed myself in full stack development using the MERN Stack, and the highlight of the internship was building Food Genie, an AI-powered food ordering platform inspired by Swiggy and Zomato. In this presentation, I walk I will walk through the academy, the goals of the internship, MERN Stack, and the project we built, and the key takeaway I gained. I've gained a lot of knowledge during this internship. This 17 days intensive training in full stack development using the MERN Stack has given me a lot of knowledge on what is this MERN Stack and how to build a full MERN Stack application. About the Webstack Academy. Webstack Academy is an institution focused on empowering aspiring technologists with industry relevant skills. Their vision is to help students innovate and contribute meaningfully to the digital world. The mission is very hands on, combining theory with practical coding, mentorship, and career development. They offer in training MERN, Django, and AI and ML integration, cloud and DevOps, and even consultancy projects. This environment gave me a perfect platform to sharpen my skills. Especially college students like me don't know what is MERN and mean. They have been trained, the college haven't trained us for that. So in this internship, I have gained a lot of knowledge. Apart from college behavior like reading and writing exams, this internship gave me a lot of knowledge. What are the goals of this internship? 21. The internship had four clear goals. First, to master the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js in real project context. Gaining a lot of hands-on experience on MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. I have very had a very good have very good knowledge on this practical experience, everything. Second, to build a production ready application with authentication, card, and payment features. During shopping, I have a lot of questions on how these things, how if I click a button, how it's going to the card and how does we can pay everything. I'm very curious about this, and this internship gave me a lot of experience. Third, to integrate AI tools with development workflows, making coding smarter and most efficient. Integrating AI tools maybe from the viewer point of view, from the user point of view, it can be a quite tougher. But by integrating it, we can generate a lot of beautiful experiences there. AI assistant for coding smarter, more efficient, and development workflows. It is very interesting. And finally, to prepare us for career lines, optimizing resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and preparing for professional roles in web development. Apart from gaining knowledge on MERN Stack, they have guided us for LinkedIn profiles, resume optimization, and for preparing for interviews. They have given a lot of experience. Then brief about MERN Stack full stack development. Let me briefly explain the MERN Stack. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in a flexible document based format. Express is a lightweight framework for building RESTful APIs and server side logic. React.js is a component based library for building dynamic and responsive user interfaces, and Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows to run JavaScript on server side. Together, these technologies form a powerful stack for building modern web applications. This project was called Foodgenie. It's an AI-powered food ordering platform inspired by Swiggy and Zomato. The core features include restaurant browsing and menu display, user authentication using JWT and Bcrypt, a cart system to add, remove, and update items, order placement with payment integration, AI-assisted menu recommendation, and review summaries with sentiment analysis. Architecturally, it follows a clean client-server model, React front-end communicating with Express backend via REST APIs, MongoDB for persistent storage, and AI tools enhancing both development and efficiency and user experience. Implementation journey. Now, let me take through the implementation journey through the week by week. Week 1 and 2, we set up Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. We design schemas for users, um, restaurants, and menu item. We also implemented JWT authentication and big password hashing to ensure secure login. Week 3, we have an advanced backend. We advanced the backend by building a Swiggy Zomato style menus system with category filtering, like wide only, sort by reviews, unsort by ratings. We have developed everything. We developed cart APIs to support add, remove, and update operations. AI tools were integrated to generate smart menu description, which improved both speed and quality of development. We shifted to focus the front end in week 4. Using React.js, we built reusable components for restaurant browsing and menu display. The Redux toolkit was used for global state management. We implemented front-end authentication, secure login, and cart access. We also developed the order placement and payment workflow. Finally, we added AI description generator on the menu. We have by using in the React.js in by when we have learned about React.js, they have given a lot of examples, and we have developed another a small applications when Richa ma'am taught us about AI powered review system. Ma'am taught us about ma'am gave us a small project um, on ingredient to recipe finder application. That is also a small mini project ma'am gave us. On 3rd July, we presented and deployed the completed for Genie applications. Built reusable component for restaurant styling, everything. Finally, we have presented internship activities. Beyond coding, the internship included weekly quizzes and reinforced learning. We also had sessions on resume building and LinkedIn optimization. Mentorship was provided throughout by Jaikumar sir and Richa ma'am, who guided us not only technically but also professionally. These activities ensure that we will not just learn to code but also prepare ourselves for real world opportunities. Not like a normal online internship where teacher will taught us and we are somewhat understanding or not. Those confusions are like, but in this web stack internship, we can ask questions on announcement group, ma'am will reply us, and it is also an interacting teacher student one-on-one sessions. This very useful for us. From the internship, I have gained several key takeaways. Technically, I become proficient in MERN Stack, API design, and full stack integration from scratch. I learned how to leverage AI tools for smarter coding, automation, and efficiency. On the career side, I improved my resume optimization, session, optimized my LinkedIn profile, and developed professional presentation skills. And most importantly, I successfully delivered a production ready project for Genie, which I can showcase as a part of my portfolios. Hands on training on MERN Stack API design and full stack integration from scratch. Learn to leverage AI tools for smart coding, automation, and efficiency. To conclude this, to conclude this internship was a transformation experience. It gives me hands-on exposure to full stack development, taught me how to integrate AI into real projects, and prepare me for professional roles in web development. Virginia stands as a proof of what can achieve in 17 days with the right guidance and dedication. I'd like to thank Webstack Academy, my mentors, and my peers for making this journey possible. And thank you all for listening.